Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel again. In today's quick video, you are going to see how to fix Snapchat filters not working. Sometimes the filters in our Snapchat application might not work. Maybe it because of some glitch or something else. So if we head over to our Snapchat, we must test that if our effects are working or not. So if they are not working properly or they are buffering, what we can do is just to check our internet connection above, and if the internet connection is okay, then just head out of your Snapchat and then just clear the cache files. You can clear the cache files of Snapchat by going to the Bitmoji on the top left and go to the settings icon on the top right and scroll down until you see the option of clear cache under account actions. So here you have to tap on continue so that you can clear your cache files. And if the filters are not working yet, you can just head out of Snapchat and then just uninstall your Snapchat and install it again and try if your filters are working now. If it's not working, then make sure please that you head over to your Play Store and search for Snapchat. And in here, just make sure there is no such update that is available for the Snapchat. So if there is any update, there will be an update option right here in the button here. And there is open written right now. So you have to tap on the update option and it will be updated. So yeah, this is how you can avail or make your Snapchat filters work. Hope this video will help you out and we will see you in the next one.